Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
Jamaica's Reggae Girlz battled France in an international friendly in France this afternoon. The last time the Reggae Girlz played France, it ended in a 0-0 stalemate at the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup, where the Jamaicans went on to qualify for the round of 16. Reggae Girlz head coach Hubert Busby Jr. says that they're looking forward to the contest.
We know they're a very good team, quality team, top 10 in the world opposition. So they're going to have quality. Their players are playing in big clubs all over the world.
Busby Jr. adds that the focus will be on improving the team with these friendly matches.
For us, we really need to focus on things that's going to make us better down the line. You know, our foundation of being a really good team defensively needs to remain. But we also want to be able to do some things in possession as well. So, you know, it's important and always that you respect and scout and put things in place for the opposition. But for where we are in our cycle, it's even more so important for us to focus on things that we want to build on.
The game kicks off at 2:05 p.m. Jamaica time. Jamaica Premier League champions Cavalier held hosts Mocha FC of the Dominican Republic to a 0-0 draw in their first leg semi-final in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup on Thursday night at the Estadio Mocha. The return leg semi-final is set for October 30 at the National Stadium. The first leg final and third place games are scheduled for November 26 to 28, with the return leg matches slated for December 3 to 5. Defending champions Mona High will kick off their round of 16 campaign in the Manning Cup competition this afternoon when they face San Diego in the second match of a doubleheader at the Stadium East. The match kicks off at 4:10 p.m. Before that, in the curtain raiser, St. Andrew Technical will battle Woolmer's Boys starting at 2. The three stewards at the center of the controversy to disqualify Race 2 winner Tekka Punt at Monday's Heroes Day race meet will be suspended for 6 months in what is seen as an unprecedented move in the 65 years of horse racing at Caymanas Park. Their decision was also reversed following a meeting with the Jamaica Racing Commission Board on Thursday. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And I am Janella Precious. News next at 7 o'clock on behalf of the news, sports, and production teams. Good afternoon.